In this Granada Houses video, we're in the large village of Tocon to show you this really cosy, ready to move into mid-terrace property. It has 2 bedrooms and 2 really nice patios. There's lots of possibilities here. So I'll show you upstairs first. You can see the stairs are made of a really nice marble and they're full height. So it gives an illusion of lots and lots of space here. Get to the top, you've got a good sized hallway. And 1 bedroom is at the rear of the property. That's this one here. And there are some views from this window. Let me just show you. You can see across the countryside there. And then down the hall, unfortunately, the light fitting isn't currently working in the main bathroom, but hopefully with my phone you'll be able to see it. It's fully tiled. And then at the front of the house is a really nice, bright double room. And this room does have a small balcony. So I'll just go back downstairs. If you want to move to Spain but you don't want or need a particularly large house, or if you want a nice holiday home that's really easy to keep, this house could be absolutely perfect for you. It's a downstairs loo, always very, very useful. And then through here we've got a compact kitchen, but it has everything that you might need. And you can see there's also room for a small breakfast table. And as we go outside, this is the first of the patios. Very, very private. And under here are 2 kind of storerooms. This one you see was used as a kind of outdoor kitchen, but also has the gas heater for hot water. And then on this side is the other section. And of course, I think if you wanted to, please do check with an architect. You could probably make this one open space. And then as we go upstairs, you'll see the other terrace. There's everything you need in this large village, sorry. There's doctors, there's schools, there's shops and bars, wonderful walking, excellent cycling routes. This is the view from the back. So you've got another really sunny terrace here. You would probably want to put up some extra shielding at the rear here, particularly on that side. But as a small mid-terrace house for a couple, or as a holiday home, or even as a rental unit, this has a lot of possibilities. Particularly as we're only 30 minutes from Granada City and an hour to Malaga Airport. So the location is fantastic. As I say, it's going to be sold as you see it. Of course, if you don't want the furniture, then you would dispose of that. But you could move in straight away and use the house while you were doing any work that you wanted to do, or while you were choosing how you wanted it to be furnished. So we look forward to showing you this cosy property in Tocon. Please leave your comments and questions in the section below. And follow us, don't forget that's really important, it helps us a lot. Follow us on YouTube, like and share the video, as well as leave your comments and suggestions. Also remember to look at our website, granadahouses.es. So that's it for now. We look forward to showing you this sweet little house in Tocon. Thank you for watching.